Good morning, plumbers. Happy Friday. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training these two young bucks, my sons, the trade. Today's adventure is what, Angelo?
Outdoor shower.
Nope, that's the other job. But good guess. We have a sewer cap that was run over by the landscaper, and we gotta change it. And guess who's gonna do it? The apprentice, #1. So we'll see you at the job. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. Thank you. All right, Ange. Here's what we got. Our long guy decided to cut our cap off, so we're going to change it. Okay? You're going to change it.
Yeah.
All right, pal. So let me show you what we need. Cut it around the side, around the pipe. Okay? We'll take out the side, and then we'll take out the cap. If you go like this, 2 hands, you'll be able to control it better. Okay? Little short strokes like that. All right? We just happen to have a cap. Just don't let none fall down.
Where will fall down?
Down the hole.
Supposed to pop out or something?
No, you're supposed to pop the grass out. We're just doing that to expose the sewer cap. There you go. Lefty loosey, right? Let's see if can we get on this? I think we can. What do you think?
Maybe grab it from the inside and attach it up.
How about this? Ah, yeah. Oh yeah. Because we don't feel like cutting nothing, right? Actually make a tool for this. How do I just do that? Watch your eyes, I'm sorry. Yeah. Obviously that's not glued. Or classic sheetrock PVC cutter. Another pair of pliers, please. For all you people out there, we have a clear sewer for the moment, but we have a real abuse of baby wipes in the toilet. No baby wipes down the sewer. No baby wipes down the toilet. If not, we're gonna come here and crush you with a sewer sewer cleaning bill that you're not going to be happy with. Greenhead. So if you cut two sections of the thread out, even on iron pipe, watch how easy this pops out now. So now we pop this off. Alright.
So you should have done that instead of trying to get the easy way out?
Yeah, I tried to take a shortcut. Of course it didn't work. But always take out a section of the pie and it comes out much easier. Now, should I put this on backwards is the question.
No cross thread.
Don't cross thread it. Grab my hammer wrench. I just want to make sure its fitting's all the way on.
Yeah, wait, is that what you meant backwards by like upside down?
Yeah.
I didn't know.
So I'm going to buy a flat one. I just happen to have this in the truck. So I'll buy a flat one, which I probably have a flat one at the shop. And yeah, they're bad. Here we go. That's that. There it is. New cap. And what's our saying?
Alright, here's another satisfied customer.